Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be Jeffree Star's nude orgy collection unboxing, and I've been trying my best to keep everything boxed and sealed until I get time to film, and this one killed me a little bit. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So this was his orgy collection. Once again, I didn't get everything on his website, just for the simple fact for money purposes and all that great stuff. And for anybody who's wondering that why I look hella ratchet, that is because your girl didn't sleep very well last night and I had to go to work this morning and I'm tired as fuck. And I just got out of the shower to try to keep myself awake because I fell asleep on the couch for like an hour. So, alright. So I didn't get like everything in his collection. I got some things that I actually needed, and I feel like this is gonna fall. So the first thing I've been needing is a new celebrity skin. That is because my other celebrity skin in the liquid velour liquid lipstick, it has completely dried out, even with my little method thing that I used. So I did need to pick up a new celebrity skin because celebrity skin is my favorite lip shade of his of all time, and it goes with any makeup look, especially like if you're just throwing on eyeliner and you don't want to like go too crazy. I always wear either Celebrity Skin or Christmas Cookie by him. So then I grabbed a lip liner. This is his new, I guess like he did something more with his formula, so I went ahead and I went with Celebrity Skin to match my lipstick because that is a color I wear a lot, so I got that. So everything else is with his collection. Okay, so I am digging this photo right here, so I definitely have to go to Dollar Tree and get me a frame and add it to my Jeffree Star collection that I have hanging up on the wall. Because that, if it's not a very good picture, I'll just throw it in my scrapbook. But that is definitely a picture that will be getting hung up. So this is the gloss. If you guys know Jeffree Star, he's very known for his gloss, and this one is in Silk Rope. Now this is more of like a darker nude, kind of reminds me of his Posh Spice, so I think I'm gonna like duo these together and see how that turns out, because as soon as I saw Silk Rose, I was like, that reminds me so much of the one that I just said. I can't remember now. My brain is alright, so I did get his palettes. I got the bundle pack because anytime Jeffree Star, if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know I collect Jeffree Star palettes. And for anybody who wants to come at me saying like Jeffree Star this, Jeffree Star that, I don't give two fucks what Jeffree Star did, said. We're all fucking human. We all make mistakes. We all say shit that we don't mean at a certain time. I'm sure you have, I have, everybody has. Okay, so we're fucking human. Move on with life. That's the problem with 2020, is nobody knows how to move on from their business and go on about their own business. So I do like how he packaged this. Well, I know he didn't, but very well packaged so it didn't break, which I love. Alright, so here is the mini orgy palette, and of course it just has like a bunch of people laying around naked because obviously an orgy is an orgy. So the inside of the packaging is a very light pink, which I love, and then also it just has all of the people laying there naked as like an orgy. And then on the back, now when I first saw this palette, it screamed something that Kim Kardashian West and like that beauty line, and like, I don't know, I have it linked down. I can't think of her name right now, but it totally screams like her makeup line right now. So these are, the very first one is Glass Wet, Champagne Drip, Gagging, Soaking Sun, Frozen Fire, Bathhouse, Explit, Foam Party, and Eiffel Tower. And just this palette alone, you guys, you could do so many like gorgeous looks. If you couldn't afford the Orgy palette, and you just went with something like this gives you a lot of neutral colors to go with, which I love. So I definitely know this palette and the Orgy palette will definitely be getting used a lot, because I like more shades that you can use to just everyday look. Alright, so here is the big Orgy palette. And then on the back it just has the ingredients, his social medias, and all that great stuff, expiration dates. Now this packaging I really like, because when he revealed it, we got the best Jeffree star laying here, and each lettering. I just love that. Like when he said that, I was like, oh my god, I'm deceased. I love this. So this is what this packaging looks like, and then on the back it just social media, expiration date, and stuff, and all that great stuff. So alright, so this palette is actually bigger than most of his palettes. This is a 30-piece palette. And you guys, look at the colors. Like, I can't. Alright, so the first one is I'm Shy, Vanilla Latex, Implant, Teach Me, Silk Robe, Seduction, Verosome, Fluffier, Blowout, Gender Fluid, Body, Bed or Floor, Knee Pads, Safe Sex, Top, Bottom, Virtual, Craving Chocolate, All Night Long, Body Chills, Booty Trap, Invitation Only, Scorpio, which I did, that is one thing that he did say, is this color right here is Scorpio, which matches his liquid lipstick, which is pretty awesome. Money Shot, Explicit, Happy Ending, Orgy, I'm Closed, and Glory Hole. Like, we all know what that means. So yeah, this palette is just, this is probably one of my all-time favorite palettes that he's made, actually. And I'm actually surprised that it didn't sell out, because I actually waited like a couple days before I actually even ordered this palette. And I was like, oh god, it's gonna be sold out by the time I make a decision. And it still was available. I think it's still available. So yeah, that was my Orgy unboxing. And then of course you guys probably know I'll have a makeup look using this palette and this palette as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing with me, because I'm super excited now. I can look at it and drool and die. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up, and as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful, stay true to yourself, fuck what people have to say. They're gonna talk shit regardless. Do you. See you guys.